Hello, Chiban Acharya here again. In this video, I will show you how to determine the validity of this argument, which are one of the standard form of either valid or invalid arguments. So you got to read the argument carefully and then see this argument match with which one of those on the list. Okay, always you can see your written example that takes you here, or you can see so detailed solution to find the standard form of the valid or invalid argument. But in the test you should write it down in your note card. Okay, you should put it in the note card. Definitely it's not going to be there, or only in the homework you can see it, but in the test you should write down this form of the argument in your note card so you can use that. Okay, let's see how you match this argument to standard form of the valid, invalid or valid arguments. Okay, so first argument is this is the first premises. If Meng practice every day, then skill will improve. So practice every day is one statement, skill improve is another statement. Meng does not practice every day. So notice that this is the second premises. First premises says if P practice every day, you can say practice as a P, skill improve as a Q. Then the second premises says does not practice, not P. It's like a P right arrow Q because of this if. Then P right arrow Q, not P because Meng practice is P, Meng does not practice is not P. Let me write it down if I could here. So let's see. Let me see. So I said P, right arrow Q. Notice that this is the Meng practice is P, skill improve is Q, and the second Meng does not practice is not P. Okay, and therefore therefore is the conclusion is a skill does not improve. Notice that skill improve is Q, so does not improve is not Q. So which one matches here? Let's see. P right arrow Q, not P. Okay, P right arrow Q, not P. P right arrow Q, not P, not Q. So it matches with this one. See here, P right arrow Q, not P, not Q. So this must be fallacy of inverse, and this is the invalid. So because of this match with this one, and what you got to do is, let me clean that up here. I think let me just, how do you do that? Exit drawing. So I'm going to choose this is the invalid because of this one, fallacy of inverse. I choose this is a fallacy of inverse. Okay, that's how you answer. The second question, let me write down here. There's a drawing board here. The figure is square. Okay, again this is the if then, so it's conditional. So write if P right arrow Q, that's the if then, where square is a P, a rectangle is a Q. Okay, now the figure is not the rectangle, so it's not rectangle is not Q because rectangle is Q, not rectangle is not Q. So draw the line, and therefore that's the conclusion. Therefore the figure is not a square, so therefore figure is not a square, so square is P, not a square is not P. So now you got to see which one matches with this argument here as a standard form. So let's see, P right arrow Q, not Q. Okay, P right arrow Q, not Q, not P. Looks a match with this one. You see here, P right arrow Q, not Q, therefore not P. Remember that this 3 dot represent not, therefore not P. So this is valid. The second statement is valid, and it's the example of contrapositive reasoning. So now I'm going to choose this answer here. So the argument is valid as example of contrapositive reasoning, and submit. So that's how you answer the question. Okay, thank you for watching.